He's about to weld that up for us right now, but in the meantime, you already see what's behind me. I got the Stagia over here with us. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since we did any work to the Acura NSX, but today we're going to be doing just some basic stuff, which is getting the exhaust back on there. Now, this is kind of temporary setup. It's using the old exhaust system or the exhaust muffler that it came with the car, and we're going to try to connect it to the J-Series factory J-pipe. So we have actually some scrap piping laying around. Rob's about to go modify it real quick. We're going to make that sucker work. So he's going to do his, that welder magic that happens, and they, all the angles and all this other stuff. So I can't do that, but I will sure as hell be watching and learning. So let's go in. We got the car already on the lift. I'll go ahead and show you the back of the car, show you the old muffler, what we're going to bypass, and what we're going to use. Oh my gosh, she's dirty. That's all right. She'll get cleaned up. So we got the lift high enough. Thankfully, I don't have to get down and bend over or nothing. But I'm going to show you on here and back up a little bit because we are limited in room here. So you can see there's the old exhaust system, which is not a stock one. This is not a factory exhaust. This is an aftermarket stainless exhaust system from Japan. I'm thinking, for all I know, it doesn't even have a label on it. So that's how iffy it is, but it actually sounded really good back when I first purchased the car. It sounded not too bad, so I'm gonna hook that guy up. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around. I'll show you a little bit under here what we got going on. So hopefully we can follow together here. All right, so you can see here we got one section of the piping. It goes right there. Here is the J-pipe. I'm gonna go this way so you can see it better. Here's the J-pipe that came off the TL Type S motor. This from here used to be a flex piece. Now we've put our wideband O2 on this end. I could move it over here, but I think actually because we want to try to get a nice clean bend with the pipe we're going to be using, probably going to end up cutting all the way back here, which will get rid of this bung. That's all right. We'll still use this one here. Both exhausts merge. You'll see both sides of the engine will merge right there. There's my wideband O2. We'll have a flex pipe and straight pipe welded on there. This is because this was set up originally for a dual. You see there's a secondary pipe there. This one, I don't believe it's chambered in, but if it is, we're just going to make a cap to cover that hole there. And hopefully you can see it on the camera because I can't see where I put my camera. Right there. There it goes. Yeah, so we'll be capping that guy off if we need to. And it would just be blowing both chambers into one and then coming back out to the duals. So car still needs a lot of cleanup, but hey, the first thing is making sure this J-swap operates like it should. Go see what Rob, he had found a piece of excess gas manifold and some other pipes and everything else. Let me go look and see what it was. I know I had a flex tube, but to it. He's about to cut the shielding off of it right now. wrench. See how it fits inside? Do a little S-pipe to it. That'll clear that bar easily.
Cool, I'm gonna be able to fit it inside there.
Nice.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that.
Yep. Cool.
That's dope.
Gonna clean this up. Yep. Just like that.
Look at that.
I'm gonna clean that end up because that's gonna go inside the exhaust.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna fit really good.
Yeah.
It's gonna fit really good.
I mean, for a quick temporary, this is actually looking good. Really good.
Yep.
All right.
We're gonna hold on to that in case we need it later down the road.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, we're not gonna throw that one away.
I'm gonna put it on the headers. So he's about to weld that up for us right now. But in the meantime, you already see what's behind me. I got the Stagia over here with us. That belongs to John and Brandy. There's John right there. Came out to hang out with us for a little bit today while we dick around with the cars. And yeah, I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. You can only start the car. That's how you put two pieces of metal together. That's right. We recycle around here. We don't let nothing go to waste.
Ooh, I gotta cut down. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Perfect shot. Perfect shot.
Okay. Let me cut this first.
Yeah. Cut right before the bend. Oh, yeah. You want me to pull that O2 out?
Yeah.
Pull the wideband? Let's pull the
Yeah,
wideband.
pull it.
Yeah, 22 wrench.
Fuck that pipe.
I'll touch it, let it hit.
It doesn't fit though. It's alright. I'm gonna make it fit. So let me trim it down a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that angle. Yeah, because this is you can let go of it. I gotta figure out what angle I gotta get exactly.
Got plenty of clearance for that bar, just about, huh?
Oh yeah. So I gotta do a couple things. So
I can probably cut your angle out of that and make it.
yeah, I gotta see how much I gotta take out. Probably about a 1/4 inch. A little more 1/4 inch. All right. Get it close.
To hear it exhaust.
Close enough.
Oh, look at that. 2 pieces of metal fused together, baby. Let's check this out. All right. Got that sucker put together.
So you got your gas cap sitting there with titanium.
Yeah.
All right. So you can see, Rob got that sucker put together. It's just scrap pieces that we had laying around, or he had laying around, and was able to make that sucker look like a lot better than some of these other fucking places in town. So that's miracle work right there. That's what I'm saying. But yeah, so now we'll be able to start the car, and it's not just wide open pipe. Let's go ahead and put the O2 back on there, and then give it a shot. We'll see if the car starts.
What's the RPM? That's not even hooked up.
No, I go by the computer on it. But I bypassed, I know the control valve because mine's faulty. Taking it off. So I just tightened the cable just enough.
I can still see some light black.
Yeah, we just sprayed the shit out of it too with brake clean. So it might be,
Dude, the start. Dude, that.
it just died. It ran out of fuel.
Yeah, I'll just turn the key off. I think we got what we want today.
Yeah, we'll shut it down.
Yeah. We got it running.
We got it to run.
We got the exhaust on.
Yep.
We got fucking shit done today. Walk off plate.
Yeah, we got a little bit of work done today. So apparently we were having some issues with it running earlier, and I can't hear the fuel pump anymore. So I'm thinking I got a bad fuel pump. I hit it with some brake clean. It did bump off. You can hear it trying to surge. I do not have a fuel pressure gauge set up on there, which I need to go ahead and do. I actually have a regulator for it, aftermarket Aeromotive, to go on there with a gauge and a sensor, so I can see both, and the ECU will be able to see fuel pressure, fuel cut, things like that. But I don't have any of that stuff here with me. It's sitting at the house. So I think that's where we're going to cut it off for today. We actually got a lot of stuff done, though. Like Rob said, you know, we got the banners done on the cars. We did that earlier. I did not film that, of course, but we just put some banners on some of the cars. Got back over here. We got the exhaust welded on. We do have to make a block-off plate for that because the exhaust is chambered. But it sounds so much better now. Before, you know how raspy and loud it is revving up. Now you can actually hear the exhaust tones. But we do have to put that block off on there, and yeah, then we still got to bleed the clutch. Tried doing that earlier with manually, but it's still not disengaging the pressure plate. I am hoping that now we're not gonna have to pull this damn transmission apart, but we won't know until we get there. We're gonna keep playing with it. I might go ahead and order a new slave cylinder. It is old, it's worn out probably. You know, from just sitting there, it can go bad with no use. So it feels like I have pressure on the pedal, but it's not disengaging. So we'll work on it some more. But that's going to call it for tonight. We're going to clean up and just hang out for the rest of the evening. All right, guys. Appreciate you hanging out with me, checking it out. See a little bit of progress on the NSX. We'll catch you on the next one.